Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today we are diving deep into the BMW M8 Competition, a 617 horsepower Grand Tourer that blends luxury with brute force. But in a world of electrification and downsizing, can this V8 monster still deliver the ultimate driving experience? Let's find out. BMW hasn't messed with a winning formula, but there are subtle refinements. The new laser headlights are sharper, and the kidney grillers are thankfully haven't grown to cartoonish proportions. The sculpted hood hints at the power beneath, while this carbon fiber roof saves weight up top for better handling. At nearly 5 meters long, the M8 is a true Grand Tourer, low, wide, and aggressive. These 20-inch forged wheels house massive carbon ceramic brakes, because, trust me, you'll need them. The rear, pure intimidation. LED tail lights, quad exhausts, and this lip spoiler are minimal but effective. And this exhaust? Let's take a listen. Step inside, and it's everything you'd expect from a BMW M flagship, a luxury with a motorsport edge. The leather-wrapped, carbon-backed seats hug you in all the right places. The updated 14.9-inch curved display integrates BMW's latest xDrive 8.5, crisp, intuitive, and now with AI-powered driving modes. The digital cockpit, fully customizable, with M mode transforming it into a track-focused display. And the head-up display now shows shift lights, so you really have no excuse for missing your upshifts. From Grand Tourer to track weapon at the press of a button. Comfort mode soaks up the miles effortlessly, while Sport Plus dials everything up to 11A, sharpening throttle response, stiffening the suspension, and opening up those exhaust valves. Now, let's talk numbers. Under the hood, the same 4.4-litre twin-turbo V8, now producing 617 horsepower and 553 pounds-to-feet of torque. 0-60, a blistering 3.0 seconds flat. And thanks to BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, it hooks up beautifully, rain or shine. Launch control, brutal. The moment you let go of the brake, it punches forward like a sledgehammer to the chest. And if you want some old-school fun, just tap a button to send 100% of the power to the rear wheels for smoky, tail-out action. What's truly impressive is how BMW has balanced comfort and aggression. The adaptive dampers make it surprisingly livable for daily driving, but push it hard, and the chassis responds with incredible precision. It's big, but it shrinks around you. The steering is sharp, body roll is virtually non-existent, and the grip is immense. The only thing you might wish for, a little more steering feel, but that's nitpicking. So, is the BMW M8 Competition still the ultimate Grand Tourer? Well, if you want brutal acceleration, cutting-edge tech, and long-distance comfort wrapped in a stylish coupe, then absolutely, it's a dying breed, and that makes it even more special. But, at around $140,000, it's dangerously close to Porsche 911 Turbo and AMG GT territory. So, the real question is, does the badge on the hood mean more to you than the competition? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more auto luxury vehicle reviews. See you next time.